High risk warning. In order to start trading foreign exchange, please consider your investment capital, experience in trading, risk tolerance. EA Forex Academy is not registered investor advisor nor broker or dealer. Students are advised that all videos have educational and informational purposes and not to be considered as trading advices. A substantial loss can be achieved when trading in foreign exchange, and seek advice from an independent advisor if you have any doubts. Past performance does not guarantee for future success. Futures and forex trading contains substantial risk and is not for every investor. An investor could potentially lose all or more than the initial investment. Only risk capital should be used for trading, and only those with sufficient risk capital should consider trading. Any expert advisors, programs or scripts provided and shown in the course are with educational and demonstrational purposes.